Hey everyone, Logan here, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite options that we're starting to see on a lot of manufacturers, including Tidewater. We're standing here on a Tidewater 220cc Adventure, and that option is what we call our Fender Pro Fender Cleats. And what that's going to do, no longer do we have to take up a cleat that already has a rope on it for docking, but instead we got a nice little stainless steel polished hole right here. We're going to see this little clip, and all we're going to do when we get close to the dock, go ahead, put it in, clip it down, and just as easy as putting it in, easy to get out too as well. Press that button and pull it out. And little tip I like to tell everybody is go ahead and take, your bow, your stern fender clip line, and mark it with tape, marker, something like that. That way, when you have more novice people on the boat, you can go ahead and tell them, hey, take that one with the blue tape, that one goes on the front, one with the black tape, that one goes here on the back. Again, Fender Pro Fender Cleats. It's one of my favorite options that we've been starting to see here on a lot of manufacturers. Thanks for watching this quick video. Y'all have fun out there in the water and be safe.